my name is Achini. Welcome back to Achini's Recipes Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make pulled pork from the jackfruit. This is very traditional, authentic food in Sri Lanka. The jackfruit. We will make so many different dishes from this. But pulled pork is not a common thing in Sri Lanka. But I love to eat that. I used to eat that one here in Canada. So we'll see how we are doing that. So I'm using one can of this jackfruit to make my pulled pork. First of all, we are going to grind our ginger, garlic and onion. I'm using this mini mincer. I don't know, grinder, mincer blade or however. So I'm adding my ginger, garlic and onion. All together. And then if you have coriander or curry leaves, please add also. So I have dry coriander and curry leaves, so I'm going to grind all of them together now. So this is enough for me. If you want more thinner, so you can pull few more times. And this is the best tool I'm having in my kitchen. I love this, very easy. So and then go ahead and drain the water from that can, and if you like you can cut them into smaller pieces or leave as it is, but I cut them into smaller pieces. Keep a pot on a heat and then add 2 spoons of oil. Let it get hot and then add some mustard seeds. Now we'll add our ginger, garlic, onion paste, and so we'll fry it for a minute or two. Let it slightly brown. And now we are going to add our young jackfruit. So I cut them into half again, so if you like you can cut, if not you can just leave as it is. So, and this is a very special meat curry powder. You can see the recipe to that also in my channel. So I am adding around 1.5 to 2 spoons of that chicken curry powder to this. And mix it well now. So now we are going to add broth. So you can add vegetable broth. If you are vegan, you can add vegetable broth or any broth as however you like, just to cover your young jackfruit, you know. Maybe two, maybe 3 cups. It's however the quantity you are taking, just barely to cover them, and then set it to very low heat and cover and cook. So this curry powder is very special curry powder. I have everything added there, even garlic, onion, everything is there, you know. So in my case, if I don't add the ginger, garlic, onion at the beginning also no problem, because my curry powder, it has everything I needed. So set it to low heat and let it cook for around 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Some people they cook overnight, but I just want to make it quicker and finish it. You can put in the slow cooker and let it cook too, but I have only one can, so it's no point I'm going to add my slow cooker for this. So you can see after 1.5 hours it's almost drying. The liquids are dry now. So you can use fork and spoon or however you want, but I'm using my spoon here and I just break them into smaller pieces. It's easily get break now because it's very soft now. Just break it nicely into a smaller pieces. The smell is so good around here. The curry powder, the jackfruit, gosh, so nice. And now I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. You can use any barbecue sauce, so I'm using Kraft barbecue sauce. around 6 to 7 spoons. It's for that the tin I'm using around 6 to 7 spoons. If you have more jackfruit, then you have to use more. So, and now mix well and let it cook also another 15-20 minutes. At this point, some people I know they're putting into the oven to let it cook and get dried nicely, but I just leave on the stove. It's easy for me. I don't mess up with my trays again, so just leave it here and let it get cooked and absorb everything into the jackfruit. So it will take around 20 minutes to half an hour sometimes, so just let it cook slowly. Now keep it very low heat. So, and what I'm going to do as it cooks, I'm going to get buns. I'm having my buns at home, so I will put in to my buns like a burger. How I'm eating, I'm going to eat like that. And also, if you have any cucumber salad or anything, you just can keep on top of that topic, eat that, and it's so delicious. So this is my pulled pork, so delicious, so nice. Give it a try. Let me know your feedback. Till I see you with my next video. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye to everybody. So delicious. Please give it a try.